What is going on, traders and investors? What I want you to do right now is just listen, because what I'm about to say is really important and it has not happened in years, guys. Here's what I'm going to do exactly in each scenario, guys. The CPI last week was really good, but the PPI fell short and was really bad. And this is going to create crazy opportunities you have never seen before to enter in on some long-term shares and getting into some contracts, maybe option contracts that are expiring about a month away, getting a potential 1000% gain. I'm going to be going over it in this video, so stay tuned. All right, guys, on this day 2 weeks ago, this is when Jerome Powell speaked, and we ended up taking a 300% gain on Intel before the news hit, guys. We absolutely banked on that day, and the stock market has been in a solid uptrend since then. We could be now seeing some sell the news event and hitting it go down. Some really good entries on our PRB trading strategy the past few days. We had Tesla break out of this pre-market range right here into a nice continuation move, making these contracts go about over 400%. It has been a crazy week. PLTR on this Friday. It's Saturday. I'm recording this video on Saturday, so yesterday. PLTR started rejecting in this level right here and coming back into this pre-market range. I chose this as we broke out of this pre-market range, as you guys can see right here, and we got into this trade. And many of you guys in my Discord, you guys waited for us to retest this range so you get a better entry, and good job. My contracts were probably only down 5%. All the way from here, we got into these contracts at 39 cents a contract, and these went all the way to $4 a contract. Real quick, can I get your email address? Because I want to send you something worth $1,000 straight to your inbox. And the way I'm going to do that is through my 5-step PRB trading strategy that I use every single morning in the first 15 minutes of market open to hit trades like this. And I'm going to send you this completely for free. And other creators charge $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000 for this type of checklist. And I want to give out to the people, so I'm going to be giving it out completely for free. All you have to do is go down to the description of this video, and I will see you on the other side. In my opinion, looking at the market right now, I feel like you have a better chance in profiting and just in investing in individual stocks like Nvidia, Apple, everything like that. And when we see the stock move down, we can look for really good average down situations instead of just investing in the overall S&P 500. You can definitely get some better returns just investing in some really good blue chip stocks. If you guys want to see my picks on blue chip stocks, go ahead and hit the Discord link in my bio. For example, Nike here, like as it's going down, we could just average down. If it keeps going down, just average down more, and then we can see a big move up. Be really good. This can happen with all these stocks, guys. PLTR, we averaged down when we went down here, and we hit the Bollinger Band. As you guys can see, we went down, hit this Bollinger Band, and we got a really good fill right here, guys. What a crazy trade. These option contracts are probably up about 3,000% right now. 3,000%. Look at this move. Look at this move on PLTR. If we would just enter here, and that is about a 20% gain from this Bollinger Band. Like, these type of situations rarely happen, and when they do happen, I call these out for you guys. I call these out for my Discord, and we are absolutely banking. The same thing happened with Nvidia, guys. I told you guys about Nvidia. We went down to this Bollinger Band about twice. We didn't enter in on right here, but when we went down to here, we entered in as we saw some bullish momentum coming up to here. It was an absolutely banger trade, and these are about up 10% up here. Look at this. If we were just enter here, about 7.5%. Guys, just imagine the option contracts, how much they are up. Another stock that I've just been telling you guys so much, I've been telling my Discord so much, is ASML. We entered right about here, and as the stock is going up, I was probably up 7% here. We came down, I averaged down some more. I'm so confident in the stock. We got into some option contracts, and this stock is about up 12% from when we averaged down. If you just gotten in when I averaged down, I was telling you guys ASML is such a good stock, and it is absolutely mooning. We are about to cross all-time highs pretty soon, and it's awesome. I'm going to sell my option contracts. These have absolutely banked me so hard. And if you guys want more trades like this, go ahead and join my Discord. I call them out. Let's go ahead and look at some of my members in my Discord. Look at this, guys. We have Chopper 600% in 1 day. What an insane trade. We banked really hard. Julian, even if you guys are new to investing, just growing your portfolio, seeing how it grows, get comfortable and learn how to trade in my Discord is awesome. 50% in 1 day. Look at that. Stank up 30%. Look at that. 116% in 1 week. Absolutely crazy, guys. This is all from my PRB trading strategy. And if you guys want to join, you can join my complete free Discord. And if you guys want to join my paid Discord where you have access to my swing trade alerts, you will get a 7-day free trial. And go ahead and join that, guys. All right, let's go ahead and look at some more plays that I'm looking into and for some opportunity for you guys to get into. So let's go over another thing. I told you guys, Apple, we got into Apple this Thursday at 31 cents a contract, and we secured a nice 40% gain. And then the next day, these contracts went absolutely berserk. They went 700%, guys. We had runners on this position, and we banked super hard. So many people in my Discord made so much money. But as you guys can see here, we respected this level, and we went down, and we touched this level again. And so if we go ahead and look at the 5-minute chart, and this is all through my pre-market range breakout strategy. So as you guys can see, I drew this line from yesterday as we rejected off that level. And then I have this line here, and we went down, we almost touched it, and we started breaking out of a pre-market range. Look at this right here. I can just draw it in front of you guys. Look at this. We broke out of a pre-market range right about here. We got in, stop loss down here, and we never even got close to our stop loss. Not even a retest. This is why I like to get in after it breaks out and not wait for the stock to retest. The stock retested a little bit here, but I guess you can say that's a retest. And these went absolutely crazy. This day went crazy, and then they just went absolutely berserk the next day. What an absolute banger we had on Apple. Now, when Tesla hit 290, I was telling you guys, I was doubling down. Don't mind all these little lines on my chart. It's pretty messy. But as you guys can see here, I drew this out for you. There is a super nice bull flag forming, and we just broke out of a super long bull flag, guys. This bull flag is probably like a 2-month bull flag. Look at this. We're breaking out, and we could be hitting the 500 mark very soon. I'll be looking to sell half of my shares pretty soon, maybe around right here. Looking to sell half about at 420 and sell another half at 440, and then getting all out about 500, maybe leaving some runners. But it is not too late to get into Tesla. You could definitely get on a nice continuation move. Right now, we are just mooning to the upside after breaking out of pre-market, or after this bull flag, and it's just volume is ramping up, and we're absolutely mooning. Hood was just announced that we're announced to join the S&P 500, and September 22nd they actually get added. And guys, this is what happens when the stock gets announced that they're added to the S&P 500. They make a big move to the upside. As you guys can see, we got into these trades. This trade the other day, they went 90%. I called this out, guys. We've been absolutely on fire. This is why I'm saying all these wins. We've just been absolutely on fire. Everybody in my Discord's been banking. As you guys can see, it was announced, and it just absolutely mooned. Look how much it mooned. I sold some up here. Okay, you can't always get the best sell. I sold some up here. I sold my shares. Okay, because I know that momentum dies down, it becomes a sell the news type event. And until they finally get added to the S&P 500, which could be all the way down here, we could end up seeing Hood fill this gap. So if we do fill this gap, I will be telling you guys if I will be entering in the stock or not, which I will. I probably will. I sold all my shares of Hood for a very nice profit, guys. For a very, very nice profit. I've been holding since about like down here. So yeah. So if we see Hood go down and retest or hit this fair value gap, this gap down here, we could definitely be looking for a really good entry when it gets added to the S&P 500. So as the stock goes down, expect some puts potentially from me calling those out. Another play on Amazon, as you guys can see here, I already have it put up. this could be a very nice position. I told you guys about this, and it is not too late to get in on Monday. We just filled this nice gap right here. We just filled this very nice gap, and we could be seeing some move to the upside. Just wait till we have some bullish momentum. As we can see here on this day, we had some bullish momentum. We entered in a swing trade, and it's really good right now. We could definitely see these hitting, and go ahead and aim for all-time highs for your profit target if you want to get into some leaps on this position, which would be very good. If you guys want to trade with me live, go ahead and hit the link inside of my bio, and you can trade with me live completely for free. If you guys want to trade completely for free for live, I do stream on X and I post my alerts inside of my Discord, but just understand that there's going to be a 60-second delay, and I am trading my model, which is called the pre-market range breakout strategy, and keyword breakout. I'm trading these stocks as they break out, and once they break out, they are prone to keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. So after a minute, I call these out. These contracts could already be at 50%, and it happened so much, just like PLTR the other day, or actually this Monday, PLTR was already up 40% after I called it out. And even the free members did bank about 50%, but we banked around 120% on those contracts, and the free members only banked 50% because there's a 60-second delay. So if you guys don't want a 60-second delay, go ahead and join the premium Discord. It is a 7-day free trial, but if you still want to keep the delay, it is completely up to you. If you don't want to pay, maybe make your money first and then pay for the premium Discord. But and if you want access to the swing trades, if you want a more in-depth education to my strategy, I have exclusive members only education. Go ahead and join my Discord. I showed you guys the reviews, and earlier in this video I told you I have a 5-step PRB trading checklist that I will give you completely for free. Just go ahead and hit the link in my bio, and then you can get access to that PDF file completely for free. You just hit the link in my bio, you go to the free Discord, hit the free Discord, join on WAP, and then after you join on WAP, you should have access to the PDF file that I use every single morning to hit crazy 900% trades like we did on PLTR literally yesterday. So my trading strategy works, and I've been backtesting it for the past few years, and I've become a profitable, consistently profitable trader doing that. And if you guys want to learn that, I want to help everybody out. If you guys want to learn how to trade my PRB breakout strategy, go ahead and join my Discord. 7-day free trial to go ahead and join. If you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a crazy reward. You can go ahead and use code SALE, that is SALE, on the monthly plan. It'll give you 50% off. So if you made it to the end of this video, this is my reward for you. 50% off SALE plus a 7-day free trial. I'm only doing this for the first 4 people, or actually first 5 people, but I posted this in my Discord and already somebody used it. So if you guys want to get in, you probably still can get in. That is code SALE. There's 4 spots left for the sale. Once the sale gets used, it is going away forever, and it's going back to original price. So guys, that is code SALE for my premium Discord. Go ahead and hit the link in my bio, and then hit the 7-day free trial, and then you get 50% off. Boom. If you guys don't think I provided you enough value in those 7 days, you can go ahead and cancel anytime. But I have a 7-day free trial because I am so confident that I will provide you so much value and make you so much money. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys made some bread, are going to make some bread, and have been making some bread off my plays. If you have any questions, or you want to just talk about your stocks that you are interested in looking in, go ahead and put those in the comments. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Peace, guys. Go ahead and join my Discord. Link in bio.